Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video, we will see how you can set up a new OpenAI account and get the keys and add the billing to that. And then we will see few things that you should take care while creating the keys on OpenAI. So first of all, let's start by creating a OpenAI account. So we will search for OpenAI login and then you will go on openai.com and you will try to log into API platform. Now, when you go there, you will have many options to log in, but we will go with continue with Google and you can select your Gmail account. So once you do that, now you will see this kind of screen and here you can see the option of create an API key and add credits. So we will go on create API key and then we can name it anything, and if you want any kind of restrictions, then you can add the restrictions, but if you want simply all permissions, then you go with this one and you can do create secret key. Now first step is done. Okay, so you will go to API keys here and you will be able to see your keys, but this key will not work until you add your billing account. So you have to go to settings. Here you can see the limits also, and but first of all we have to add the billing account, so let's try that. So here you can see the billing account and add payment details. You can click on that. Now remember, OpenAI doesn't provide any kind of free APIs, so you will have to add balance into here, and only after that you can use the API. So here we will have to add our card. I will add my card and pause the video for some time, and then I will be clicking the continue. So after adding the details and clicking continue, I reach to this screen. Here you can mention how much amount you want to add. So we will add $5 only. And don't select this auto recharge because it can do really wrong. Because like recently there was some issues of APIs cost me a lot of money. So don't do that. So just add $5 or whatever amount you want. Now it will be deducting this much amount and you can do confirm payment. Okay, so there is some kind of issue. We will try once more. So you can see the balance has been added here, and now you will be able to use the API. Now only thing I want to tell you is you should be putting limits here on the usage. So you can go to limits and you can edit the budget and keep this budget small, so in case something goes wrong and someone else uses your API or something like that, then it doesn't deduct a lot of amount. So you can put the limit here, that will be beneficial. So that's it guys, now you can use the key and test your project, it will work. So thank you guys, let me know if you face any kind of issues. Thank you.